Hey everybody, just a quick video to let those of you who don't already know that Behringer has introduced some pretty significant price cuts to a lot of their hardware. And I'm a little bit late to this information, and that's kind of on purpose. I was hoping that these same price cuts were going to show up in Canada, and I wanted to just do a full North American announcement, but that's not the case. So I figured I might as well just throw the information out there now. I'm sure most people have already heard, but for those of you who were just not listening to the news or paying attention to what's going around in the forums, this is probably worthwhile to you. So if you look at my screen here, you can see it as I am on the Sweetwater site. If I scroll through, there's going to be a little green price drop icons on some Behringer stuff, and we were talking about amps and synths, the X32 products, some other audio interfaces, and digital snakes for the X32, analog consoles. Something that I thought was really cool, and I think probably most of you who watch this channel would like, is that the XR18 has had a $280 price drop. So it's $459 right now. And even though we don't have those savings in Canada, Canadians, Sweetwater will ship some stuff to Canada. They'll let you know when you order whether it's an item they can ship or not. But even with the exchange rate, I think that's still around $630, which is still less than what it's been going for here like the last year. I think we've been sitting up around the $900 mark, maybe $1,000 or more, depending on what store you're looking at. So even with exchange, you can still pick one of these up cheaper than you could somewhere local in the last 6 months. Probably worth looking into. Now, I haven't looked at other places globally to see if these prices have filtered out to other countries. I suspect some places in Europe have got to be seeing these price cuts as well, and maybe even some South American places. And please, if you know of other places that are seeing these price cuts, please put that in the comments down below so that everybody is aware. And if you are somebody who's going to go and pick up some of these items and put together like a home studio, because look at this, Behringer X Touch line is on sale as well. $140 off the X Touch Universal, $100 off the extender. Maybe now's the time. If you've been thinking about it or waiting to pick up some of these devices and build out your home studio, now is when you do it. And if you do, send some stuff my way so I can see what everybody's putting together. You can fire an email off to me at email@QuickEZ.ca. I would love it if you could just share photos in the comments here on YouTube, but you can't. So if you send stuff to me, I'll just make a post of what everybody's got going on, and I'll post it on the channel for everyone to see. You might be wondering why these price cuts have happened. I don't have an official answer. From the things that I've been reading, it looks like Behringer is going to announce that they're going to do some straight-to-consumer sales, and they're only going to use some of the bigger companies, and I think Sweetwater might be one of them, to continue doing merchant sales. Otherwise, people are just going to be able to get stuff right from Behringer. So it looks like that's triggered a price cut at some places. Again, I don't have an official answer. This is just speculation on my part and based on things that I've been reading in forums and various places. So, don't take that as gospel. But it seems like a logical thing to assume based on what we're seeing. Anyway, that's the news. Lots of price cuts for Behringer, so go check out sweetwater.com. I'm not being paid by them. This is just the only site that I found in the States that actually shows these price cuts. If you know of another website, either in Canada or the States or globally, who's showing these price cuts, put that in the comments too so that everybody knows. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to share the news. If you didn't already know, now's the time to pick up those items you've been waiting for. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time here on Quick and Easy Quickies. Bye, everybody.